Hey, it's Scott from the Cedar Workshop, and today we're in Alberta. We're visiting my sister-in-law, and this is kind of like the Fargo of the United States type of thing. It's just taking all this snow, and we're gonna pile the snow around this fire pit area you can see over there, and we're gonna make like a sort of like igloo around it out of the wind, so we can have a fire later on tonight. So we dug out the fire pit, which is under that grate. Then we stacked some of the wood up on its side here. The pile of snow, we're gonna let that set for a couple hours, get nice and hard, and then we can dig it out some more. So a couple hours later, the owner of this ranch saw me working earlier, and he came out with his bobcat and cleared this whole area and pushed it up onto the pile. Cool thing, he grabbed these round bales, put them on his bobcat, and brought them over, which makes excellent windbreaks. Then he brought all this firewood over on his bobcat, dumped it there. I restacked it here, so now we can have a real good fire